Basically, this browser will allow you to mine Bitcoin without wasting any time, without making any effort really, and all you have to do is move this bar all the way up. Hello friends, I'm Frank, and today we're going to go over a brand new way that can make you $1,770 by mining Bitcoin on both on your personal computer and your smartphone in 2021. I'm also going to provide you with proof that this method actually works, and I will walk you through the process step by step so you don't get confused along the way. And the best part about this method that I've chosen for you today is that there is no work needed, so the process is completely automated and you don't even need to have any technical special equipment or any fancy stuff for mining. You don't even need to invest a single penny in order to make it work for you. In fact, as long as you have a stable internet connection and a personal computer or a smartphone, you are all set. All you have to do is listen to my advice, place close attention to all the steps on this video, watch this video until the end to make sure that you don't miss out in any important information. You have to have a little bit of patience, so as I say, just watch the video until the end and I can guarantee you it's going to be worth it, because you will have all the information you need in here in order to take action with no further ado. Let's keep things very simple here and let's jump right into it. The first step you need to complete is connecting to a crypto browser site, and this is a unique software that is going to help us tremendously to. So the first website which I would like you to come to is called cryptobrowser.site. Okay, and this website is going to allow you to do some mining of Bitcoin whilst you use different applications. So as you can say, Strike Crypto Trap is the world's first browser with mining features, so you will be able to earn Bitcoin without looking up from watching videos, chatting or gaming online. So you will join a community of 25 million people that are actually using it worldwide. So you can have a look at the website and you can see, if it's suitable for you. But it's something I wanted to show you, and some of the other features that it shows, you can see it's blazing fast, and then if you keep going now, you see different reasons why you should use crypto browser. Because the thing is, you can earn while you're surfing on the web. It says as well it's the fastest built-in mining algorithm. It switch to the new browser in a click, and then it will enjoy all your favorite Chrome extensions. Okay, so it's a good way where you can actually use the application and then start getting the benefits of it. So the first thing you will need to do, you will need to click on download, and then you will accept and install. And then once that we have accepted and installed it, then we need to set it up. So we're going to set it up. It's loading now. It's verifying the software, and it's verifying the update so it can work well. Okay, so once that you are in the Crypto Trap browser, you are gonna be able to search and browse safely within this tab whilst you earning Bitcoin. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. It's taking a while. So it seems like it's installed now, and as you can see right now, this is the browser that we are going to be using. Is the crypto browser. Okay, and here you can switch the notifications as you want, and then what you are going to be able to do is you will be able to let me show you. So we're gonna go to switch to this, so you are able to start using the crypto browser. But once that you download the crypto browser, you're gonna click on the next steps, and then once that you set your browser as the default, then you're gonna be able to search to search and mine Bitcoin whilst you're using the app. So it's something that I wanted to show you, and it's a good application. And then ways where you can actually monetize this is you could go into YouTube. Okay, so we're gonna go to YouTube, and then you can look at the different ways of making money with cryptocurrency. So you can put how to make money with cryptocurrency, and then you can look at the top videos. Okay, and then it will be as simple as going to filters and checking for the Creative Commons. These are actually videos that you're gonna use. So because a CryptoPack have got an affiliate program as well, I want you to come to the button, and then you will be able to log in into your CryptoCap with your Google account. So then what means is you're gonna be able to promote CryptoCap, and whilst you earning Bitcoin as well, you're gonna get referral bonuses for referring to other people. So as you can see, these videos over here are the ones that you are allowed for monetization. So it's as simple as opening the video, and then you will go into a separate tab, and then my favorite website to download videos from YouTube is called savefromnet.com. So then you will go into the video specifically, you will copy the URL, and then you will be able to put the URL into save.net. Just make sure that you have a powerful antivirus, because sometimes it could be tricky. So once that you put the link before it actually downloads, as you will see now, it might take you to a different website. You need to click a couple of times until it actually downloads. It looks like it's not showing up, but yeah, it will show in a minute. So just keep clicking, and then you see you will be able to download the video to your computer. Once that you download the video to your computer, it's as simple as going to upload video. Okay, and once that you upload the video, you will be able to give a title to the video and then a description. Okay, so once that you upload the video, you put the title and you put the description, and then we will put the link to where you're gonna send them to, which is actually your referral link. That's the referral link. When people click on your link that you get from CryptoCap, then you will be able to get paid. So yeah, this is all for today's strategy. It's a way where you can actually earn some Bitcoin whilst you stay on your browser. The only thing is you will need to use the CryptoTab browser every single time in order for you to be able to do the mining as well. So if you enjoyed today's strategy, please give me a like, and if you find the information valuable, it will be very helpful if you could give me a massive like, and then if you could join to a channel or subscribe to a channel, because this will really help me to keep creating content similar to this. Okay, and another thing that I would like to show you is, once that you have your cryptocurrency, you're gonna need a wallet. So one of my favorite wallets is called Exodus, and then it will be as simple to go into the website, sign up for them, and then you will be able to start receiving your cryptocurrency into the wallet, because you're gonna need a way to deposit this cryptocurrency. Okay, and as you can see here, it will be as simple as signing up, and then once that you sign up, then you'll be able to receive different cryptocurrencies to your wallet directly. So I'll advise you to come, have a look at the different products, have a look at the support, have a look at the company, and see what you think. So this is all for today's strategy. I will come along with more strategies in the future, so I hope that if this is something that you enjoy, then I will keep posting videos like this. Just give me a massive like, and thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to a channel that is free, and then I'm looking forward to bring you the latest information on new apps of how to do your own mining mining or more information about cryptocurrency. And as well, I want to say this is not financial advice. This is just information and resources that I'm trying to share with you, just so you could benefit from there. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. I hope you have a great day and a great week ahead. Thank you very much.